Hello everyone. This is Zubair speaking from SparkFuse Business Solutions LLP. So this is a product which is TeleAgent AI. It is a platform which gives outbound and inbound calling to the customers, where we don't require any human voice. It automatically handles through AI agents. It makes real calls on real phone numbers and handles the questions of the clients, and based on that it provides us a score. So this is the home page. As soon as the new clients come, we enter their information and create an account for them. When they are in, this is the first thing they can see. This is the executive dashboard where they can see the total leads, how many call have success, how many calls made, and their minutes. Based on that, we can see average call duration, unsuccessful leads, and how many minutes have been used. Here we can see the lead status distribution, where new leads are added, how many leads has been called, calls completed, how many calls has not been answered and failed. Basically, it is the overall summary of all the leads and their calls made. The second is the lead management, where we can see the information of all the leads. There are different ways to add the leads, which is through CSV. The second is Google Sheets, and the third is Meta, because lead can come from Meta ads also, and also we can add the leads manually from here. Then we can see the overall lead information by just clicking on them, and this is what we can see, whether the lead is interested or not, or whether the lead is hot, cold, or warm. Based on that, we can score. The third is the campaigns, where we can schedule a campaign for a particular group of leads. For example, if we have a particular lead and we have to call them every day, we can just schedule a campaign. For example, we have to call a lead for a particular day, for example, Monday to Thursday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., and just leave it on the AI agent. It will handle it automatically. Then we have the agent configuration tab, which is the most important. Here we have two different tabs, identity and engine. In the identity, information provided by the lead, such as the script, what the agent should speak like. Based on that, we will generate a prompt here and tell the AI agent to speak in such a way. And after saving the configuration, we can also start a call just to test how the agent is speaking. Then also we can select multiple languages such as Hindi, English, or multilingual. Based on that, agent will speak to the customer. And then we have the engine where we can select the voice AI mode, where we have three for now: standard, ultra, and premium. And then we can select the voice language we need, and then we can save the configuration. And for testing, we can just start a call so that we can come to know how the agent is speaking and whether it is up to the mark and fulfilling all our requirements. Then we have a knowledge base. Knowledge base is typically, for example, if any customer requires additional information related to our website, we can store that website or any PDFs or any questions here, so that if customer asks anything related to the website, the AI agent will fetch the information from the knowledge base and answer to the customers automatically without no human intervention. This is the real work of knowledge base. Then we have the workflow builder. After the call is done, we have the post call workflow. So once the lead is identified as hot, cold, or warm, if the lead is hot, we will wait for 15 minutes after the post call. Then we can send a workflow to their WhatsApp number regarding whatever conversation has taken place. Then we have lead scoring. Lead scoring means we will have 3 to 4 questions uh, that will be asked to the customer. Based on that, we will identify whether the lead is hot, cold, or warm. For example, if the customer answers all the 4 questions asked, then the customer is interested and it becomes a hot lead. Questions, it becomes a warm lead. Or if it does not answer or answer only one question out of four, then it becomes a cold lead. So in the lead management tab, you can see directly whether the lead is hot, cold, or interested or not. So based on the lead scoring, it automatically takes the status whether the lead is hot, cold, or warm, and it gives the status whether the lead is interested or not. Then we have the inbound calling, where we can also, if a customer wants to call us back, then we can give them a certain number so that the customer calls us and the AI agent will handle the further flow. Then we have a WhatsApp inbox tab where we can see all the customers conversation happening in real time. We can reply them manually or the AI agent will handle it automatically. Then we have the integration tab. Whatever conversations takes place, if the client wants to integrate it with any of their CRM, then we can integrate. We have WhatsApp, we have Google Workspace, we have Odoo, we have Zoho, eBay, Salesforce, everything. Here you can see all the reports, all the lead reports that the leads want to see. So you can see the reports here. Then we have the billings and usage tab, where you can see your monthly usage, how many minutes are consumed by calls, post call analysis, everything. Then here we have the accounts and numbers. You can see the ultra and premium plan. Then we have the notifications, through which if a client wants, if on the conversation that after a post call flow he wants an email to be sent, so we can select the email and send the email. We can send WhatsApp, we can send a Telegram based on the conversation took place. And we have API and webhooks, data management, everything. This is all about the product. If anything, you can feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.